Okay students, in this question, simplify each of the following equation. You have to simplify means you have to solve. Now when we will observe it properly, the two terms are given in the bracket and both are in multiplication. So here nothing is common, so we cannot use the identity, but we have to multiply. So we will do simple multiplication. First we will write this 3 in bracket. You copy down this two terms plus root 2, then plus root 3 in bracket 2 plus root 2. Okay, now we will multiply by both. So what we will get when I will multiply, then it will become 3 2s are 6 plus it will become 3 root 2 plus then it will become 2 root 3. See, it is in square root, so when you are multiplying by 2, it will not become root 6. 2 will come outside and root 3 will be as it is. Okay, but here in this particular case, it is in root and it is in root, so multiplication is possible. So 2 3s are, it will be root 6. Okay, you have to be very careful. Students will multiply, many times students multiply directly, then it goes wrong. आपको याद रखना है कि root 3 is in square root, so it will come as it is. 2 will come outside, you cannot multiply. But in second multiplication, here 3 is also in square root and 2 is also in square root, so multiplication is possible. So square root 6. Okay, now is there anything that we can add, something common? No, nothing is there. So this is our solution and this is our answer. Clear? Same way, second part, look here, it is given that 3 root 3 in bracket 3 minus root 3. Now if you observe properly, what it will become, I'll take this as A, and if I take this as B, then C to the identity, A minus B and A plus B. Okay, you have to think and recall the property. So what it will become, A square minus B square. So we'll be applying the same thing, 3 square minus root 3 square. So 3 square, what it will become, 3 square will become 9 minus root 3 square. When you multiply root 3 numbers, so root 3 into root 3, so it will be 3. Okay, so here it will come 3, and when we will subtract, our answer is 6. What is our answer? Our answer is 6. Clear to everyone? Okay, so here we have done. Here you can put equal sign. Here also, this is the identity we have used, so we will put here is equals to. Okay, now coming back to third. Now third, again observe root 5 plus root 2. You cannot add it, but it is whole square, means we can use the identity A plus B whole square. Here A is representing root 5, B is representing root 2, is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so now we will put the values. So root 5 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. Now again root 5 into root 5, दो बार root 5 का multiply हो रहा है, तो answer will come only 5 plus here 2 cannot be multiplied by 5, so 2 will come as it is. But here 5 is in square root and 2 is also in square root, so you can multiply, so it will come square root 10. Okay, plus here again root 2 square, means root 2 into root 2, so answer will come only 2. Now here 5 and 2 are rational numbers, so we can add them. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 root 10, and this is our answer. Okay, now see this next question. Now here also observe properly, root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2, terms are same, so it can be A minus B and A plus B. So what identity it is? A square minus B square. We have studied this identity. Okay, so now directly putting the value, because expanded form is given, we will use this. So root 5 square minus root 2 square. Root 5 square will be 5 minus root 2 square will be 2 is equals to 3, and this is our answer.